Hello everybody, welcome to EduTap. So I hope my voice and my screen is properly working and my voice is properly audible to you. If that is the case, then please let me know in the comment box. Right, so everything is working right. So let's start with our today's session. And today we are switching from management to pension, okay? So let's start now. IFSC Grade A, PFRDA Grade A 2025. Mega concept revision series for pension. So for pension also we will have three components, or the three lectures I mean. Each lecture will have 15 questions, so total 45 questions you will also get for the pension component. Before I move ahead, EduTap is giving you a free gift related to our PFRD Grade A students. Those who are appearing for PFRD Grade A 2025, you can download a free ebook from the side of EduTap. This ebook contains detailed syllabus of the upcoming PFRD Grade A 2025 exam. Now, why detailed syllabus is important? Because it will offer you comprehensive preparation of your exam. If you just do your preparation based on the syllabus which is given in the notification, then definitely you will never be able to complete the entire portion of the exam. So I will request you to please download this detailed syllabus ebook which EduTap is providing to you. This will help you to prepare in the much needed manner. And the link to download the same ebook is given in the description box below. Second free gift which EduTap is giving to you is IFSC Grade A free ebook which will include the previous year questions of the year 2023 and 2024. Okay, PYQs will basically help you to structure your preparation in the best manner as possible. Okay, so you can take the help of this particular free ebook. The link to download this particular ebook is given again in the description box below. Moreover, you will get the PDF of this particular class on our Telegram channel. Again, the same understanding that the link to join Telegram channel is again given in the description box below. So let's start with today's first question, which is APY Atal Pension Yojana. Now, mind you, pension is a very relatively easy component if you know what to study and how to study. So today we are doing some questions related to the Atal Pension Yojana. Tomorrow we will do some questions related to National Pension System, and then we will do some questions related to some other miscellaneous topics as well. Come on. So first question is Atal Pension Yojana was launched in which year? The correct answer will be 2015. I hope you know the answer because this is one of the basic foundational thing related to the Atal Pension Yojana. So the correct answer over here will be option number D. Okay. Now if you see Atal Pension Yojana was launched in the year 2015 and therefore all the other options are incorrect. APY is a regular pension schemes to the workers of unorganized sector. Please focus on this particular word because in APY we do not include the employees who are already having government jobs or who are already employed in some other pension schemes like NPS also. Okay, so it is launched for only those workers who are falling under the unorganized sector. And what is the meaning of unorganized sector? Unorganized sector basically means that you don't have any rules and regulations. Your primary source of income is coming from that particular profession, which is just, kind of informal in nature. Okay, for example, the job at EduTap will come under formal sector because we pay taxes, we pay multiple, there are certain rules and regulation which the employees of EduTap has to follow. But think about a casual laborer, or think about a blue collar worker, or think about that particular worker who is just working on some wages. Okay, like you would have heard about this particular term, mazdoor. So if you talk about mazdoor, if you talk about those people who are working in unorganized sector, then definitely Atal Pension Yojana is for all of them. Moving forward to question number 2. Question number 2. Which of the following is true regarding Atal Pension Yojana scheme? APY stands for what? Atal Pension Yojana. APY comes under Department of Financial Services. Yes, it falls under the Ministry of Finance, and in Ministry of Finance there are multiple departments like Department of Revenue, Department of Expenditure, Department of Financial Services also, right? So over here the correct answer will be what? Let's try to decode it. But first try to understand that what is the overall understanding which you need to have. Which of the following is true pucha hai? So first of all you have to identify the true statement. APY comes under Department of Financial Services. Yes. Scheme of APY is administered by NPS. This is incorrect because the administrator of the scheme is PFRDA, which is a Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority of India. Bank account is compulsory to enroll for this scheme. Yes, this statement is also correct because the premiums for the APY will be auto debited from your bank account only. So if you see, the correct answer will be 1 plus 3, which is only present in option number D. Therefore, the correct answer over here will be option number D itself. Okay. Now, if you see, APY comes under Department of Financial Services, it is regulated or it is administered by PFRDA, and yes, applicant must have a bank account. So this was the very basic question to answer. Now let's move forward again to question number 3, or not again, let's move to question number 3. Which of the following is incorrect? So over here you have to identify that particular statement which is false, जो गलत है. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding Atal Pension Yojana? So first question is, the first statement rather is, any citizen of India can join APY. Yes, provided that particular citizen falls in the age bracket of 18 to 40 and he or she is working in unorganized sector. So the first statement is correct. Any citizen of India can apply for APY provided that he or she fulfills the eligibility criteria. A minor can enroll in scheme. The answer is no. Minor cannot enroll in this particular scheme because the joining age has to be minimum 18 years. So you cannot be called as a minor at 18. Anyone enrolled in NPS cannot enroll in APY. This statement is true. Why? Because if you are in NPS, then definitely you fall in the formal organization structure or you have a formal employment. So you cannot apply for unorganized APY, right? So if you see the correct one over here, so you have to identify the incorrect one, right? Anyone enroll in NPS cannot enroll in APY. Yes, so only statement 2 is the incorrect one. Therefore, your answer will be option number. Anybody enroll in NPS cannot enroll in APY. Right, so I will like to tell you this particular point. I think I have done one particular mistake over here. Sorry for that particular mistake. Statement number 3 says what? That the employee or a central or a public sector undertaking who is already availing benefits under EPF or NPS can also subscribe to APY. So even I think I need to update my knowledge over here. The correct answer of this particular question will be option number E, which is 2 and 3. Because I think any citizen of India can apply. Yes, minor cannot enroll. Anyone already enroll in NPS cannot enroll in APY. This statement is also incorrect because they can apply, right? So the answer will be option number E. My apologies. The correct answer will be option number E. Yes. Let's move to question number 4. I apologize for that error. Minimum and maximum age to enroll in APY, Atal Pension Yojana, is what? The minimum and maximum age is very, very easy to remember. It's 18 to 40, right? It's 18 to 40. Yes, I apologize. Third one was false. So therefore, the correct answer will be 2 plus 3, which was option number E. Okay, for the previous question. Question number 4. Minimum and maximum age to enroll in APY is what? It's 18 to 40, right? So the correct answer over here will be option number B. The correct answer over here will be option number B. Good. Now let's move forward to the next, I would say, question. But before we move ahead, please remember this particular point. I again want to tell you, if you are already enrolled in NPS, which is your national pension system, then definitely you can apply for NPS. Okay, therefore this statement was incorrect, right? So let's move forward. Now I have full clarity about this. I hope you also do. Pension plan can be upgraded or downgraded in an year. So under APY, pension plan can be upgraded or downgraded dash times in a year. So under APY, under your Atal Pension Yojana, pension plan can be upgraded or downgraded only once. Only once. Okay, so only one time you can either increase or decrease your pension. Okay, so for example, if you are contributing, let's say, any amount of money for your APY scheme, you can either upgrade it or downgrade it one time in an year only. Therefore, the correct answer over here will be option number A. A subscriber can opt to increase or decrease pension amount during the course of accumulated phase once in a year. Hence, option A is correct. Now, let's move forward to question number 6. Question number 6. The pension received under APY is dash. Now please remember, the contribution which you make the contributions which you make under Atal Pension Yojana will definitely help you in tax saving. Okay, it will help you in tax saving. But the premiums which you will receive, the premium which you will receive after the age of 60 are not tax saving. Okay, they will rather increase your taxable income and then you have to pay more taxes. I again say the taxes saving only happens once you invest. So once you start investing in APY. But once you receive the premium of APY, then definitely there is no tax saving. So over here we are asking you what pension receive, which is your after 60 wala age. So if you see the pension received under APY is taxable. Okay, but if I say the pension or the contributions made or the contributions invested in APY, then it will be non-taxable. But over here it is clearly said pension received, यानी जो आपको pension मिल रही है after 60, then definitely उस पे tax लगेगा. Therefore the correct answer over here will be option number A. But if I say the pensions, the contributions invested or the amount of money invested in APY, that definitely is tax free, or you can say that will help you as a tax deduction, you can say. Okay, so the correct answer over here will be option number A. Okay, moving forward to next question, question number 7. The minimum numbers for which the contribution has to be made by the subscriber under Atal Pension Yojana is what? The minimum numbers of years for which the contribution has to be made under subscriber under Atal Pension Yojana is what? The minimum numbers of years for which the contribution has to be made. Now we all know that if you join at 40, you will definitely have to pay the premiums till the age of 60, because at 60 only your pensions will be received by you. So the minimum number of year will be 40 to 60. Therefore, the correct answer over here will be option number B. Yes, 20 years. Very good. Let's move forward to the next question. How many types of guaranteed minimum pensions are available under Atal Pension Yojana? How many types? How many types? Cool. I was just checking your answers. How many types of guaranteed minimum pensions are available under APY? So if you see, there are, I would say, 5 types of pension which you can get. Either you can get 1000 as a pension, or 2000 as a pension, or rupees 3000 as a pension, or rupees 4000 as a pension, or rupees 5000 as a pension. So the correct answer over here will be option number 5, which is again option number D. Okay, good. And please remember, this is per month after attaining the age of rupees 60. Okay, or after attaining the age of 60 years. So this is your pension per month which you can receive by the time you turn to the age of 60. Question number 9. What is the revised annual premium for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana as per the recent changes to make the scheme economically viable? Now this question I have taken from your PIB. If you see in the year 2020 to 2023, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and the sister scheme of this particular scheme is what? Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana also. So now if you see the updated premium of Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is 436. Therefore, the correct answer over here will be option number B. Right, so pension is comparatively more easy when it comes to management. In management, there were multiple concepts which I have to explain to you. But in pension, I think the things are kind of very much sorted. Next question. Consider the following statement regarding Atal Pension Yojana. So read all the statements and then give me your right answer. Consider the following statements regarding Atal Pension Yojana. Indian citizen having an age group of 18 to 40 years are eligible to join APY through their savings bank account or post office savings bank account. So this statement looks correct to me. Okay. APY is a defined pension scheme of providing guaranteed monthly pension of 1, 2, 3 or 4 or 5,000 at the age of 60 years. This is also correct. The central government contributes 100% of total contribution. No. Central government only contributes 50%. So whatever you contribute, central government will also contribute that percent of part. So if you see which statement is correct over here, only statement D, or you can say only option D is correct, because 1 and 2 are correct, third was incorrect, right? Yes, 10th answer will be option number D. Let me see in the chat box who are giving the right answer. Funlearn, Snehal, Suhas. Very good. Now let's move forward to question number 11. Under APY, banks are required to collect additional amount for delayed payments that will vary for minimum dash per month to dash per month. So if you are making a delay in your payments towards the contribution towards Atal Pension Yojana, if you are making the delay in payments towards the Atal Pension Yojana, then banks can what? Then banks can take a minimum of dash penalty for you, and it can vary from dash rupees to dash rupees. That will vary from minimum dash rupees to dash rupees per month. इसका बताइए 11th का आंसर. Suhas is going with A, Snehal is going with B. Yes, the correct answer will be option number A. Bank can charge you 1 rupee per month to rupee 10 as well. So if you even see for rupee 1 for contribution up to 100, if your contribution is 101 to 500 per month, then rupee 2. From 500 to 1000 per month, it's rupee 5, and 10 rupee per month contribution beyond rupees 101. So please remember this. This is actually given on the on the APY website itself. Okay, so your banks can charge non-maintenance of required balance in the savings bank account for the contribution of the specific date will be considered as a default, and banks are required to collect the additional amount for delayed payments. Some such amount will vary from 1 rupee per month to 10 rupee per month, right, as shown as below. So do remember this brackets also and the contributions which banks will charge to you. Question number 12. Discontinuation of payments for contribution amount under APY shall lead to following. Discontinuation of payments of contribution under APY shall lead to following. So if you do not do your regular contribution under APY, if you stop your investment in between, then what will happen? After 6 months, the account will be frozen. Your account will be frozen. After 12 months, your account will be deactivated. Frozen basically means what? That you cannot do any activity. Deactivated means that you are removed altogether. And after 24 months, that is after 2 years, the account will be closed, and whatever amount you have given to the scheme of APY will be returned to you. So if you see, all the three statements look correct to me. Okay, because in the first 6 months of your default, or in the first 6 months of your non-payment of the contribution, first remember it is frozen, then it is deactivated after another 6 months, and after another 12 months, that is total 24 months have passed, then definitely the amount which you have given to APY will be returned to you. So therefore the correct answer over here will be option number E. Good. Coming forward to the 13th question. Under Atal Pension Yojana, if a subscriber joins the scheme at a minimum eligible age of 18 years, what is the maximum number of years they will be required to contribute? Assuming that they will contribute up to the maximum age, which is 40, which is the maximum age of joining. Sorry, if I say that if you join at 18 years and if you continue to invest in APY till the year of 60, let's say, then what will be your maximum years they would require to contribute? 13th D. First answer I can see in the chat box is coming from Suhas, another from Funlearn. Anybody else who would like to contribute? Yes, simply 60 minus 18 will be 42 years. The minimum contribution period is 20 years, right? And maximum it will be 42 years. As simple as that. Okay. So the correct answer over here will be option number D. And if you see the age of entry and you can see the contribution period till 60. So these are the different years. But just remember the minimum and the maximum one. Question number 14. If APY subscriber passes away before attaining the age of 60 and the spouse chooses not to continue the contribution, then what will happen? So if any APY subscriber passes before the age of 60 and the spouse of that particular person chooses not to continue for the contributions, then what will happen? The pensions will be forfeited. Forfeited means cancel, and no benefits will be paid. No, this one is incorrect. The government the government will refund only the subscriber contribution amount. This is also incorrect because government will also contribute the amount which they have contributed. The nominee will receive accumulated corpus. Yes, this one is correct. So if the spouse of that particular person does not want to continue further, then whatever amount has been accumulated, that will be returned to the nominee. Spouse will be required to pay extra penalty or exit. This is also incorrect. So the correct answer over here will be option number C. Yes, the correct answer will be option number C. Now let's move forward to the next question, which is question number 15. What is the frequency of contribution allowed under Atal Pension Yojana? So if you have to make your payment under Atal Pension Yojana, then what is the frequency of your contribution? Can you make investments only monthly, only quarterly, only half yearly, or either of monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or either you can choose option A and B? Question number 15, my friends. Question number 15. What is the frequency of contribution allowed under Atal Pension Yojana? Yes, the correct answer will be option number D. Either you can go for monthly, quarterly, or half yearly. All the multiple options are available. Therefore, the answer will be option number D over here. Okay, my friends. So this completes our total 15 questions. Like if you want to practice more questions related to APY or related to the other pension schemes, then you can join either our PFRD Grade A Silver course or PFRD Grade A Gold course. And we also give you the option of appearing for IFSC Grade A Phase 2 course and IFSC Grade A Phase 1 and Phase 2 full video course. So you can choose any one of it. Remember to go on our website and check the prices at which they are currently available. Moreover, today we are also launching the course for PFRD Grade A and your IFSC Grade A also. So you can join whatever the course suits you the best. But again, before I end this particular video, let me give you one more disclaimer regarding this particular question itself. I apologize for the error which I made, but over here do remember, if you are already a subscriber under NPS, then yes, you can apply under APY also. Right, because of cannot written over here, even I got confused, but not a worry. To err is human, mistakes karna human ka hi kaam hai, right? So that completes our total lecture, and if you need some more MCQs, then please join our YouTube channel. And tomorrow we are having a marathon of 100 MCQs related to PFRDAs, PFRD Grade A 2025, right? So you can get that particular link from our Telegram channel itself. So purchase SEBI course. Yes, yes, don't worry. If you have SEBI course, then also the live classes will be available to you. Okay, Vinay? So that completes our today's class. Please keep on studying and thank you for joining us.